Hi, I'm George Woodbury from College of the Sequoias in Visalia, California, and in this video we're going to learn how to rewrite y, which is a function of x, in function notation, and then evaluate it. So the first one, we have 3x plus 4y equals 20. To rewrite this as y as a function of x, we've got to solve this equation for y in terms of x. In other words, treat it like a literal equation. So the first step is to isolate the term 4y, that variable term, by moving all the terms to the other side. And we can do that by subtracting 3x from both sides. So 4y equals 20 minus 3x. You could also write negative 3x plus 20. It doesn't really matter. We can finish by dividing both sides by 4. So y equals 20 minus 3x all over 4. And to rewrite that in function notation, just replace y by f of x. F of x equals 20 minus 3x over 4. And we're asked to evaluate that function first at negative 6 and then at 3. F of negative 6 is 20 minus 3 times negative 6, all divided by 4. Negative 3 times negative 6, that's positive 18. So we've got 20 plus 18 over 4. 38 over 4, which will simplify to be 19 over 2, dividing out a common factor of 2 from the numerator and denominator. Let's do f of 3. F of 3 is the same idea where we substituted in negative 6 in the last one. Now we're substituting in positive 3. So that's 20 minus 3 times 3, all over 4, which is 20 minus 9 over 4, or 11 over 4, and that's already in lowest terms, so that one's good to go. The second example, although it looks more formidable, is actually a little easier because it already has y isolated. So I can begin by just replacing y by f of x. F of x equals x squared minus 6x minus 10. Now, to find f of negative 6, f of negative 6 equals negative 6 to the second power minus 6 times negative 6 minus 10. Just replacing each instance of x with the number negative 6. Negative 6 to the second power is positive 36. Minus 6 times negative 6, that's also plus 36, minus 10. 36 plus 36 is 72, minus 10 is 62. For f of 3, it's going to be 3 squared minus 6 times 3 minus 10. That's 9 minus 18 minus 10. And then we, just on the calculator, 9 minus 18 minus 10, that's negative 19. So that's how you rewrite a function in function notation. And again, more practice with evaluating those functions.